Hey there, financial friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday money moves to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to transfer money from Capital One to TD Bank in 2025. With the latest banking tech updates, this process is faster and more secure than ever. Whether you're shifting funds for a big purchase or just managing your accounts, I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have your Capital One and TD Bank accounts set up and verified. In 2025, most banks have upgraded their apps with biometric login like fingerprint or facial recognition for added security. So log into your Capital One app or website using your preferred method. Once you're in, head over to the Transfers or Move Money section. It's usually right on the dashboard for quick access. Next, you'll need to add TD Bank as a recipient. Click on Add External Account and enter the TD Bank account details, like the account number and routing number. Don't worry if you don't have them handy. Double-check your TD Bank app for accuracy to avoid any delays. Pro tip: in 2025, many banks use instant verification through linked services, so this might only take a few seconds. Now, select the amount you want to transfer and choose your funding source from your Capital One account. You'll see options for standard ACH transfers, which are free and take 1 to 3 business days, or faster options like wire transfers if you're in a rush, though they might have a small fee. Review all the details carefully, including any potential fees or processing times, and hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or notification almost immediately. One more thing. Always keep an eye on your accounts after the transfer. If you run into issues, like a pending status longer than expected, contact customer support through the in-app chat, which is super responsive these days. Remember, security is key. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication to protect your funds. And there you have it. You've just mastered transferring money from Capital One to TD Bank in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.